I'm going to show you my full process for making smash burgers in a 12-inch cast iron skillet. With the stove on medium, I start preheating my cast iron pan. Now, let's move over to the cutting board and prepare our ingredients. Today, it's just going to be super simple. I'm going to slice a tomato, I'm going to slice an onion, then I'm going to divide the beef, and then we're going to be ready to roll the beef into balls and get them in the pan. This is a package of 8515 ground beef that I'm using for this cook. To divide it, I'm just going to lay it on the cutting board and estimate cutting it into quarters. This should give me about a quarter pound per patty. Back over at the stove, we'll add some ghee butter to our cast iron pan. Then in will go our buns. We're going to toast those for a couple minutes and get them nice and crisp and golden. We do want to keep an eye on them to make sure that they don't burn. Something else I like to do is just move them around the pan to help them absorb some more of the butter that we put in this pan. We won't really need the butter for our smash burgers, but it won't hurt anything, of course. But let's try to just get it on the bread. Learning from the mistakes of doing cheesesteaks on cast iron and trying to pick the buns up with my fingers and getting burned, I'm using a spatula this time. And now for the real star of the show, we'll put our ground beef balls in the pan, and then we're going to reach for our cast iron burger press. Let me know if you want to see a video of me unboxing this burger press. I recorded it, but I haven't released it or put it on YouTube. But if that's something that you'd be interested in seeing, hey, I'll get that out there to you. While these cook, drop me a comment below and let me know if you normally season your ground beef before you cook it or not. I'm not even using salt and pepper on this. This just came straight from the package and into the pan. So now I'm just going to flip these over. And look at that. Straight over, right into the spot I was trying to put it in. Fantastic. Hey, if you thought that was cool, smash the like button for me. Or if you just thought the video in general was cool, I'd really appreciate it if you smashed the like button. Once flipped, it's time to put the onions and the cheese on. I'm using extra sharp cheddar cheese for this. This is going to turn out great. And now we'll just put the lid on it and let that good heat build up in there and melt our cheese. And now after a couple minutes our cheese is melted and we're ready to put this on our bun. And then the best part, getting to eat it. For the first burger, I'm just going to put some barbecue sauce on it. Then for the second burger, traditional ketchup and mustard. Finally, on goes the tomato, and then the top of the bun. That's it, folks. We're ready to eat. This could not have turned out any better. These two burgers were fantastic. I will definitely be making these again. Thanks for watching.